Woodridge Ford is making car buying easier than ever. Introducing Express Checkout, where you can take the car buying experience as far as you want from the comfort of your home. Save time and shop when it's convenient for you. Plus, you'll be able to choose from hundreds of new and pre-owned vehicles right at your fingertips. It's easy. Just head to our new or pre-owned inventory pages. Find the vehicle you want, click on the big green Express Checkout button, and you're on your way. Let's walk you through it. Say, for example, you're looking for a new Ford Explorer. Go to the New Vehicles page and set the listings criteria to 2019 Ford Explorer. Review the available models, and once you find the one you're looking for, click Express Checkout. Fill out your name, preferred email address, and phone number, and then click to review your price and payment options. Then you'll be able to choose what option works best for you, whether it be a finance, lease, or cash deal. Plus, you'll be able to alter monthly terms, down payments, and payment frequency until you find the right number that works for you. Got a trade-in? You can even get an estimate of what it's worth right now. Then you can factor that into your new vehicle deal. Express Checkout allows you to either set up an appointment and a test drive at Woodridge Ford, or apply for credit and complete your purchase agreement. If you're applying for credit, you'll get a decision right away. Plus, you can add items like protection plans and extended warranties before you come to pick up your new vehicle. After that, all you have to do is come into Woodridge Ford, sign the paperwork, and take delivery. You'll be driving in minutes and enjoying your new Ford right away. But it's not all on you. If you have any questions or need further information, Woodridge Ford assigns one of their trained product advisors to you the moment you make your purchase decision. They will be at your service every step of the way. Getting into your next vehicle should be simple and on your terms. No matter how you prefer to buy, Woodridge Ford is committed to making it easy. Express Checkout allows you to do that the way you want to do it. Just another reason why this is where Calgary comes for Ford.